Ino ni tabarira President William RUTO aronekana kuhuthira kuha mbeũ njĩthĩ mbere ya gĩthurano kĩnene kĩa mwaka wa 2027 akiheana ũteithio ũyũ kũrĩ mbeũ njĩthĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Machakos akĩoya mweke ũyũ gukirira atongoria arĩa maraingiria ũteti ũtarĩ na kĩharĩro tabarira-inĩ ĩno.
Tunataka ku make sure hizo miaka zijazo nyinyi you become the millionaires, you become the billionaires and the industrialists of this great nation of Kenya.
Na hii ni nafasi yako ya kipekee wewe kufanya biashara na kuendelesha maisha yako vizuri.
Na hii ndio bottom up economic transformation agenda ambayo itapeleka Kenya mbele mpaka ikuwe first world economy.
Unajua kuna watu wengine wanaambia vijana endeni kwa hiyo maneno, muende mchukue hiyo pesa, muharibu kwa sababu ni... Those are fools. Nyinyi mnanielewa? Wale ni watu wajinga kabisa. Because not everything is political. Ama namna gani my friends? Yes, pelekeni siasa mbali.
Thirikari ĩranĩire gũkinyia tabarĩra ĩno icigo ciothe cia bũrũri hatarĩ mũthutũkanio. President RUTO agĩkinyĩrĩria ti maũndũ mothe mabatie gũkuruhanio na ũteti mũno makĩria rĩrĩa maraguna mũingĩ.
For a long time, siasa ni ya kubaguana, siasa ni ya chuki, siasa ni ya ukabila. Those kind of things are the ones that are making Kenya not make as much progress as we should.
Mũtongoria wa bũrũri no aringithanĩtie makinya marĩa bũrũri ũtacũkĩtie harĩ kwĩrũgamia kĩmbeca kuma thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza yoyo ũtongoria akiuga thĩna mũnene wa bũrũri wa Kenya ũkoretwo ũrĩ ũtongoria mũru.
I say this without fear of any contradiction. The challenge we have had is a challenge of leadership. Mtu tu anataka kupigiwa makofi morning evening, anaimbiwa na wamama morning evening, na hakuna kitu anafanya. He has no plan, he has no idea, he has no agenda, he has no program, he has no vision. Watu wanahangaika tu kuimbia huyu mtu left, right, center. Oh, bwana mkubwa, excellency, nani, nini. Today, there is a world of a difference in the economy of Kenya of 2026 and the economy of Kenya of 2022.
Hamwe noguo RUTO no ritie mbeũ njĩthĩ metheme kũhũthĩka ũru nĩ ateti arĩa makoretwo makĩhũthĩra andũ ethĩ kũiganania kandi ciao cia kĩũteti.
Mtu akitaka mtu ya kutupa mawe, contractor number 1 aweke mtoto yake. Sio hawa vijana wa Kenya. Nasikia viongozi wengine wanaongea tu hapo, vijana nyinyi tunataka mkuje mtusaidie kupiga watu wengine. Vijana nyinyi tunataka mkuje mtupigie kura. Vijana nyinyi, young people of Kenya are not voting machines. They also want to know how are they going to change their status.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mũmbi Wachage.